Hello, my name is Dr. Christopher Nagy, and I'm the Superintendent of Schools for the Bergen County Institute of Technology and Bergen County Special Services School District. Today's Leadership Spark is entitled Customer Service in Leadership. In a recent blog by Seth Godin entitled Your Customer Service Strategy, he referred to customer service as a strategic marketing investment. It's about building relationships, listening, and providing an experience. Customer service, whether in a classroom, school district, or business, should be a conscious effort and should be different from what all others are doing outside of your organization. What distinguishes you from others? Godin proceeds to say that if you're doing what everyone else is doing, if you are inside the band of the common, then it's not an approach that will move you forward. The only way to use customer service as a growth strategy is to be outside the accepted norms. Often we hear in real estate the mantra, location, location, location. The mantra for customer service and client satisfaction is service, service, service. The more we care, take the time to listen, and provide a valuable service that allows the student, parent, or customer to feel appreciated, supported, and heard, and that it is done like none other, that will separate you and your organization from others. Customer service will necessarily increase the return on investment. The investment is on the people, the customer, the student, and the parent. It shows that you are in the people business, and customer satisfaction is contagious as a result. It increases sales, enrollment, and goodwill. When customer service is poor and non-responsive, it is like an arrow that leaves the bow only to miss the mark or the target. When that happens, the leader must reconnect to the organization, to its mission, purpose, and the why behind the organization, because in the end, it is all about the people. If we take care of the people, the target will hit time after time. Tony Robbins provides 6 lessons on sales and customer service. He noted that it is important for the organization, leadership, and those who interact with customers to, number 1, know their purpose. 2, give positive meaning to everything. 3, realize that everything each and every organization does has a consequence. 4, know that everyone is unique, different, and amazing. 5, be driven by your desire for adventure. Be creative in addressing a customer problem. And last but not least, expect the unexpected. Be resilient and recalibrate when something does not go as planned. When is the last time that you read your mission statement and reviewed the vision for the organization? Is the focus on the customer? Who is personifying the mission and the vision? If we listened better, were more solutions-oriented and focused on the individual needs of the customer, how might the results change in the classroom, the district, or the organization? And last, what does the culture of an organization look like that has a focus on outstanding customer service?